Hey kids! Welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great! Let's go! We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Janesco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere! Sound effects are all over the place! Let's talk about sound effects!
And today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the alternative peeing sound effect from Omar Arashi Mission. And the character is IRL Noella.
Hello guys, it's me, IRL Noella, and this is the first episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series from Season 4. This episode, I am talking about the alternative peeing sound effect from Omar Arashi Mission. It's from a video called Omar Arashi Mission, Sarah, Gacha Club, Pee Sound. It was uploaded on 2022, October 8th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 142 to 152. The total seconds from the video are 10. And this sound effect sounds like Akari's peeing sound effect, which Number Block 54 talked about in Season 1, Episode 6. And JJ's peeing sound effect, which I talked about in Season 1, Episode 11. The disco music will be removed at the beginning, and the lofi music will be removed at the end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my O-Season characters when they poop in the toilet. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Omar Arashi Mission before using the sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 142 and ends at 152. Make sure you remove the disco music at the beginning and the lofi music at the end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.